स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज आप लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे सेंसेक्स के बारे में। सेंसेक्स टुडे निफ्टी 50 स्टॉक मार्केट लाइव अपडेट्स गिव निफ्टी सिग्नल्स ए नेगेटिव स्टार्ट, एशियन शेयर्स ट्रेड लोअर। सेंसेक्स टुडे निफ्टी 50 stock market live updates. Indian equities close higher on Friday with the Sensex and Nifty posting a decisive climb as a strong earnings surprise from Infosys revived risk appetite and sparked a sharp rally in heavyweight IT stock. The surge propelled both indices to fresh intraday high, overturning recent correction and setting a bullish tone for the session. Sensex to the Nifty 50 stock market live updates. Indian equities closed higher on Friday with the Sensex and Nifty posting a decisive advances after a strong earning surprise from Infosys, rekindled risk appetite and left heavyweight IT stock. The rally drops both benchmark to fresh intraday highs, reversing recent questions and the lending a bullish undertone to the session. The BSE Sensex surged as much as 752 points during the day to the intraday peak of 84,134.97, while the NSE Nifty 50 climbed 0.8% to touch 25,873.50. However, some gains were paired by the close, with the Sensex ending up 187 points or 0.23% at 83,570.35, and the Nifty reaching 29 point or 0.11 to settle at 25,694.35. Sensex today Nifty 50 stock market live updates. RIL EBITDA margins hit 7 quarter high as Q2 strength offsets retail weakness. Reliance Industry Rail consolidated operating margin before depreciation and the amortization EBITDA margin surprised double digit for the first time in the 7 quarter, driven by strong performance in its oil to chemical 02C division, supported by higher relationships and the robust domestic fuel sales. The help offsets the weakness in the retail segments, which was affected by the shifts of the 2025 festive season to the second quarter compared with the previous year. Sensex to the Nifty 50 stock market live updates. What Tiger Global running means for foreign investor.